Pseudo-clefting. So clefting is a useful way of making clear what are we focusing on, and but it is not possible, for example, to make the verb the head of a cleft construction, right? So we cannot make the verb the head of the construction, whereas we can make other elements the head of the construction, or pseudo clefting. An alternative way of focusing on the constituent, which is applicable to verb and their complements. For example, what Jane did was give the book to Bill on Saturday. So we cannot make was give the book to the, we cannot split it for clefting purpose. What the waiter did was open the tins first. We focus on the VP give the book to Bill on Saturday, or open the tins first by putting it sentence final and placing the string what plus noun phrase, which is the subject, did, or etc. was before it. The process is called pseudo-clefting. So what Bill will do is have a quick shower before he leaves. What Anne did was open the box and take out the gun. What I was doing is trying to clear up this mess. So in this, you can see that how we have done pseudo-clefting with the verb phrase. Pseudo-clefting is not only used for focusing on the verb phrase as a whole. Other constructions can also be focused by the pseudo-clefting, and we have seen many examples of this, but let's look at some more examples. For example, I need a sandwich and a coffee most at the time of the day, right? So we can make the pseudo-clefting. What I need most at this time of the day is a sandwich and a coffee. What, etc. day in 15b is a free relative clause functioning as a subject. It may also be the complement. A sandwich and a coffee is what I need most at this time of the day. So now it has become a complement, predicate complement, right? So this is pseudo-clefting. So these are different types of clefting that we have seen, and that can be used to give variety and style to our sentences.